Alright, so here's the scramble for it. I basically didn't really pay attention to blocks because with shield, that CS case, most of the blocks just get broken up, so I basically just moved the bottom over like this and just solve CS the standard way like that. Next, I notice this blue block right here. The edge and corner are already paired up, and then the blue corner for it that's needed is down here. So you can just solve it by moving it over like that and just doing a D2 to preserve it on the left side like that. And then I see the green corner here, and green edge here. So basically for this, you just pair the corners up like that to get your headlights, and then you do kind of a weird insert where you basically just move this edge to the front, do an M2, then move the slot over, do an M2 again, and now you have your bar. Next, before I slice down, I noticed this edge is already paired up with the corner, and when I slice down, it's going to be in this slot. So basically, I don't have to move the D layer at all for EO, which is pretty lucky. I also noticed where this edge is, and for the alg I use, it just has to be over in this slot. So after I slice down, I'm going to have to do a U2 just to get it in the right position. So I slice and do the U2. And before I did the EO alg, I predicted both CP and EP. So basically, with the EO alg I use, all the corners stay the same. So you'd have this bar in the back stays completely intact, and then these two corners would be wrong. So I know there's going to be a headlight in the back. And then I also predicted edges. So for the alg I use, this edge and this edge on the bottom, they swap, and then this edge and this edge on top also swap places. So with that, I know that I'm just going to have a J-perm on top with the bar being in the back. And I know that this is going to be the side with like the block on it. So I do know that algorithm, which is pretty lucky. So I can just do the EO alg like that and transition pretty smoothly into the J-perm, and that solves it. So pretty easy. It was 24 slice solution, so 3 slices per second. It's not that great, but for what it was on a first attempt, I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah.